everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to see about reverse linked list. We are going to see about the reverse linked list. It is a very interesting topic. We are going to reverse the linked list with the help of the pointer. Before going to solve the solution, I will explain the approach. Fine. If I have a linked list like let us consider this is my linked list. It having an elements of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will store the address of 2 is 10k, 3 is 20k, 4 is 30k, 5 is 50k and 6 is 60k. If the address is, it will indicate the address of the next element at 20k, 30k, 50k, 60k, then none. Fine. It will be my linked list. I'm going to reverse this linked list with the help of pointers. So initially my head will be 2. Element 2. My head is element 2. Then my tail is 60. That is 6. Okay. For the output, in the output, I should have the head element as 6 and the tail element as 2. The size will not change. The size is both in 5. Fine. In both the question, both in input and the output, the size value will not change. But I'm going to, we have to traverse through this list and we have to change the head and tail. Initially, I'm having the head as 2 and the tail as 6. In the output, my head will be 6 and my tail will be 2. That is, simply I'm going to reverse this linked list. My output linked list will be, it is my input linked list. Then my output linked list will be like 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. It will be my output linked list and I should do this. I should change this linked list like this linked list with the help of pointers. Okay, with the help of pointers. This is what we have to do. It is what we have to do. Then I will explain you about how I can do this. Then I will explain how I'm going to do this. Fine. Okay. Same. I'm going to take the same example, that is 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6. It is my linked list, right? Fine. 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k and it will be 50k. Okay. It is indicating the next nodes. Fine. That is, it will be indicating 20k, it will indicate 30k, 40k, 50k and it is null because it is a final one. Okay, just I am going to create one null pointer here. Okay, that is null pointer. I am going to assign this to this because the tail element is indicating the null pointer, right? I'm going to make this to as null pointer, so I'm going to initiate this as null. Then I will break this, then I can mark this to here. Again I will break this and I will indicate to here. Again I will break this, then I will indicate this to here. Then again I am going to break this and it will indicate to here. That is, finally my list will be, it starts from 6. Then it is indicating the 5th address. Then it will be 5. It is indicating the 4th address. Then it will be 4. It is indicating the 3rd. Okay, it is 3. Then it is indicating 2. It will be 2. The address, the 6th is indicating the address of 5. That is 50k. Here it is 40k, 30k, 20k. Finally, it will be null. This is my output linked list. This is my output linked list. It is my input linked list. Okay, we are going to code this. That's it. It is about the question. Now we have move on to the solution. It is a very simple one. Okay, fine. First, we are going to check the base condition, that is if self dot size. Fine. If self dot size less than or equal to 1, I am going to check. If it is less than or equal to 1, then I should return the value. That is, I reached the end of the list. Otherwise, it is a null pointer. Okay. Then I am going to do that previous element is equal to none. Okay, that we are creating the null pointer, right? So previous is equal to none. Then I'm creating one current variable. That current is self dot head. Okay, current is self dot head. Then we are checking that while current is not none. While the current is not none, then I will store the next element as current dot next. Next is equal to current dot next. We are traveling. We are incrementing the current values and then we are traveling. I will explain these codes too. Then current dot next. Current dot next is equal to previous. Previous is equal to current. Then current is equal to next. Current is equal to next. Fine. Okay. Then I am going to assign one temporary variable. Temp is equal to self dot head. I am using this just to increment, just to update the value of head and tail. Okay, temp is equal to self dot head. Then now the head value will become tail. So self dot head is equal to self dot tail. Then self dot tail is equal to tail. That's it. It is our code. In these three codes, we are just updating the value of head and tail. Fine. Okay, fine. We wrote our code. We will try to run it. Yeah, it is accepted. I am trying to submit it. Okay. I got the correct answer. This is my answer. Fine. Then I will explain the code. Okay. This is my code. I am going to explain this. I will explain easily with the 4 elements. Okay, it will be same for n number of elements. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here it will be 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k. It will 20k points to 20k. It will points to 30k. It will points to 40k. It will be none. Okay, this is my input linked list. I am going to give one previous, that is points to none. That is, it will be my previous. I am going to point it as to the none pointer, that is null pointer. Fine. Then current is equal to self dot head. current value is self dot head. Fine. While current is not none. While the current is not none. If the current is none, then the list is empty. Okay. Next is equal to current of next. Next is equal to current of next. It is the next element. Okay. Next. Fine. Then current dot next is equal to previous. That is, I am incrementing my previous. Then previous is equal to current. Okay. Previous is equal to current. My current is also getting incremented. Current is equal to next. That is, my current is also incremented. Okay. Finally, it will be my previous. The none is points to the previous. Then it will be my current. Then the previous is getting incremented, then the current is also getting incremented. After the iteration completed, again the previous will get incremented, current is also will get incremented. Then again the previous will get incremented, current is also getting incremented. Then I am going to update the value of head and tail. Then it will provide me an my expected output, right? Okay, first the previous is points to the none, right? Then the current is points itself. Then again it will points to the current of next. Then the next is also getting incremented accordingly. If when my loop is end, I am checking the condition if current is not none. While I am reaching here, the current is after this it will goes here. I can increment the current value. Then the current value will be null. If it is null, then my loop will gets end. It will print again from here to here. So it points to the, that is previous is equal to current. So it points to the previous elements. All the current sets points to the previous elements. Then it will provide me like 5, 4, 3 and 2. It will be my output. It is my required output. It is how the reverse iterative is working with the help of pointers. It is very simple and interesting topic too. I hope you all are understood the video. If you understood this video, stay subscribed to Pepcoding. Thank you.